Good morning, everybody. We are headed off to the Corona 100. It is a 100-mile mini bike race in Southern Oregon, and I am packing up the bus right now. I gotta drag the Harley cart out and load it. We're gonna take the kayaks because it's on a pond. But I just wanted to show you guys. We got the bus going. I got the mini bikes already loaded, and we still have tons of room in here, camping gear and stuff going here. Taking the whole family. So yeah, we're gonna finish packing this thing up, and we'll see you guys at the race. All right, we're here at the Corona 100 in Southern Oregon. And this is where we're gonna start from. We got some people lining up, getting ready to go. All right, driver's meeting's about to start, 100 miles. Here we go.
You see quite a few groups of people.
He's more careful than most of us.
There's some blind corners with big puddles. There's some creeks you have to go across. Just be mindful of that. It's not like a dry year where you can just full throttle it the whole time, so just kind of pay attention. Remember, I should start and preface everything with this. You are all here voluntarily. This is not an organized event. We accept no liability or any responsibility for anything. That being said, we have laid out a course for you to go on an adventure on. All right? Okay, so use common sense. Most of it will look kind of like this gravel road. There are two little paved sections, okay? One is you're gonna make a quick left and then a quick right across a paved road. That's an important one, that's well marked. And then right before you come up the hill to come back here, you'll hit a section of pavement that you'll be on for like 5 minutes. But for the most part, it looks just like this. About 3 miles this way is the worst part of the whole thing. It's a downhill, it's really rocky, there's a lot of water bars, it's narrow. There's a lot of, like, if you miss a turn, you're just gonna sail off into the ether. So, yeah. I would say if you're gonna be careful, you wanna be careful at that section.
Spot,
yeah, like 300-foot cliffs, like, like straight down.
Yeah.
So, lots of cliffs. Lots of cliffs. Probably 50% of you will make it one lap. The other 50%, maybe two, or maybe 25. So you lose about, you'll see. It's a sacrifice we're willing to make, yeah. If you're fast, you can do a lap because it's wet out in about an hour.
I won a couple of those.
So, what I wanted to do for starting today is if you're competitive and you're trying to go for time and you want to get first place and shit like that, we're going to have you come out first, set your bikes up.
Oh, that's me. That's me.
And then if you're just doing it for fun, we're going to send you out in a second wave. That way we're not sending 40 people out in the same shot. It's just a little too chaotic and dangerous. So if that's cool with everyone, that's what we'd like to do.
Okay, yeah.
Cool. We're going to count how many of you leave, and then we're going to count how many of you come back.
I gotta pick up the ride out of there.
Yeah.
In the back. Back in the first wave.
We're gonna make you full start him and then go.
Roll up, fucking.
Run up. On a battery. Okay. So reliability shit of this. Second row people, are you going out in the second wave or the first wave?
Second row. Second.
Okay, cool. All right. Hang on. Let's let this person do their thing. New wheelie. Are we ready? Jake's gonna send it off. All right, everyone ready? 1, 2, 3.
I keep looking back, expecting to see John behind me. He's not far.
You're way ahead.
Yeah, I need fuel.
What about Nick?
I need fuel. I haven't seen him since the beginning.
Okay.
John, me and John were battling out for the first little bit.
You're doing great.
And then
Here, I got the bike.
then I got hit.
You just chillax for a second.
Okay.
Shake it more than twice, you're playing with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, open up that
More.
dump valve.
It's not pouring. Oh, it is. Okay.
It
I
is.
see it.
The tube's full, it better be.
Yeah, I used majority of the tank. I probably still had a half a gallon in there,
Okay.
but it looked like I used most of it.
Completely full.
It was pretty full, yeah. I'm sending it though. The valve train sounds a little noisy,
Yeah.
but whatever.
Oil level.
I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna check the oil too before I go.
Looks like you're pouring a little bit out over here on the breather.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Smoky.
These are thirsty.
Yep. That's of course.
I forgot about that one big, huge jump. There's one huge.
Oh yeah, like those couple 3 in a
Yeah, and the middle one is humongous.
Okay. All right.
All right, that's good.
It's fine, but it breaks.
Fine until it is.
Really? That's good.
Yeah, oh, yeah, that'll get me around for sure.
Yeah.
All right, hang on to the bike still. I'm gonna check the oil. Oh. I forgot how long that is. It's really long. Like you keep thinking like, I think I'm almost there. I think I'm almost there.
Yeah, it looks like 40
You were quick though.
40 some minutes.
40 something minutes.
Something like that.
I lean it this way just a little bit. Oh yeah, we got plenty. It's like water, but you know, it's hot. I just ran it straight out for 40 minutes.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Without a break. Where's Johnny?
He's down playing
Oh, there he is.
on the mountains that
Okay.
he thinks are his new house.
Do it.
Woo!
One down.
Giddy up.
Good to go.
All right,
Water? Oh, you got your everything.
I got everything.
Yeah, you good.
What?
You take some ibuprofen?
I got a lot of stuff in this bag. Yeah, I took ibuprofen earlier.
Later.
So this second lap was pretty uneventful. Ran the whole thing, didn't really see anybody, so it was a lot like the first, so you're not going to see too much of this second lap. We'll be coming in for our second pit here shortly.
Got that racing spirit. I saw it when the two. I was first off the line. And
Yeah.
I saw Jonathan pass me. And I
Yeah.
saw David.
Oh,
hit.
yeah.
And I was just watching you guys for a good distance. Just
We were
battling
neck
it
and
out,
neck
like
for a
neck and
while.
neck for a
Yeah.
while. And I just jamming. And then you guys, I lost you both. And then it was
Yeah.
just me and Nick for a while.
Oh, you were with Nick?
Yeah, I was battling
Yeah.
with Nick, and that was he's like my mini bike in Iowa.
Yeah.
So just to
Yeah.
ride with him, battle it out, and actually finish across the line ahead of Nick. And I thought
Oh.
you guys were ahead of me. And then they told me Jonathan had to come back, and I was like, wait, Jonathan?
Oh yeah, I didn't know.
And
I
was like,
figured he'd
can't
be
bring
back.
That guy back. They were just hammering. Those
We
guys
were
were
hammering.
they're our two top runners right now.
Yeah,
So-
so I just looked at my Track Addict.
How much did you
82
do?
miles.
Holy moly!
Japers.
You're flying.
It's-
last lap.
So when you would pass me going uphill,
Uh huh.
I was only giving her like 3/4 throttle because I'm scared of overheating it.
Yeah, mine is starting to make some noise. It's a little down on power. Valve train sounds very noisy, so let's hope it makes it through this last lap.
You want to check the oil?
But that's it. I did the last lap and it was fine. So I think it's fine. It's just, you know.
Valve adjustment maybe?
Yeah, I did the valves before I left though. I think it's eating the cam, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
So
I adjusted the valves this last time. I'm like, wow, this is way out.
Yeah.
You know, and now it sounds like it's out again.
See, it'll fall
I know, it's weird being out in front and then it's like, I don't know where I am. I don't know.
I was blessed with the fact
Yeah.
that I was just a little tailing in, following some trails.
Oh, this thing's coming off.
I got
You
lucky.
got it for a second? Randy, can you hold it up?
There was a spot.
Did you refill your gas bottle?
I did not, but I don't need it. I'm not even tapping into my reserves.
Okay.
So, all right. Wish me luck.
Good luck, David.
See that? That could be a rock.
It's making some noise.
Making some noise. Well, that's it, folks. I believe that's all she wrote. Okay. Once again, here I am. I don't know if you guys heard that, but this engine just gave up. So, last lap, last half of the lap. So disappointing. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that. The Enduro is pretty much over for this thing. So, we need to get rescued. I've used up all my air supply that I had. Obviously that didn't work, so I don't know. Yep, hopefully maybe we can get it going again and finish the race. But we are partially through the first lap. We don't even know how far, maybe 15 miles of like a 32-mile lap. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out and wait for someone to come get me. Yeah, that's about as flat as it gets. Yep. Bummer. Alright, so now we wait. The laps are 30 miles long, so you know it can be a while before somebody comes by. And then they gotta let somebody know that I'm out here. So yeah, I could be here for a while, but I got a good view. So yeah, let's hope somebody comes soon. I'm good. I'm just waiting on my ride. I'm just waiting on a ride.
Okay.
It's toast.
Would you motor?
Yeah, just seized up.
Oh,
It's done. It started yelling at me.
No.
And then
Dude, when I got back on the last lap, I barely made it back because my jack shaft chain was like the same color as the sunglasses.
oh.
So I realized, ooh, she's hot.
She's hot.
And I forgot my other chain, but had an extra piece of that chain, thank God. So, those guys were down there. I think they're working their way this way. They were over probably out 6 or 7 miles back, picking up some other guys. So
Okay. Making their rounds.
yeah.
Yep.
Hopefully,
It's a long wait.
well, I think they were fixing Jake's bike.
Oh yeah?
He should be good.
Huh. Mine's
It's
toast.
Dude, you got a hell of a view here.
Yeah, I have a really seriously good view.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
All right, man. Well,
Yep.
we'll see you back there at some point here
Yep.
soon.
I know you guys were flying. I figured you had to have gotten first place because you guys were.
Salotti took first in Ironman. That he came in at right 20 minutes behind me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What happened to Nick?
Nick broke down, had to put his new engine on. He was going back up to the start line. When I was going in, Jonathan was taking Nick's truck down there.
All right, we're coasting like bicycles. So Randy, Kenny, and Chris were on a bike as a team, and they finished their race. Randy came and found me and suggested that we just coast down the hill, and then I've got a strap we're going to use to tow the bike, and we'll see where we get from there. Can't believe I didn't do this before. Could have turned around and just coasted back. I didn't really know how far I was on my lap. I didn't realize I had been going downhill for this long, or uphill before. It's a hell of a hill. Yeah. It's a long race, man. It's a long race. Nick got his bike back together.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
I saw Nick pushing his bike up the road ways up here.
Yeah.
After I came down off the top.
Yeah. Yeah.
He rolled it back down.
Huh. Well, let's strap up. This should be really sketchy.
Yeah, I would just hang on to that.
Okay.
That way, if you have to let go, you can let go.
Yep. A little faster. There we go. I'm afraid if I let this go, it's gonna go right into your tire.
Oh.
Woo! Alright, let's coast for a second. Pull that up in your lap.
All right.
Ooh. Alright, I'm switching hands here. Wait, let me see if I got my gloves.
Oh, yeah, huh? Take your toes all the way back to camp before they fucking come back.
Yeah, might be. Are they even going to be able to find us?
Yeah, I didn't know which way we're going.
Okay. How's it going?
Good, how are you guys?
Oh, it broke down.
We're broken.
Broke down?
Yep.
Saw your crew at the intersection of Road 20 and the
Yeah.
going to Shan Creek.
That's where we're headed.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're headed that way too. But you right?
Yeah. I could use it. Yeah.
Well, we got a bathtub. So it'll go along with the.
I'll ride in the bed with the bike.
Alright,
Yeah.
back up the off road.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
To the bathtub. Random.
Just a bathtub.
You seen any normal dirt bikers around?
Oh, huh?
Any normal dirt bikers around?
No, not many. All us weirdos today. No, no kickstand on this damn thing.
Did you make that thing?
He
I did.
Who's
Built
that?
it
Oh,
from
following, huh? We see, we got not the only one with these things.
Yeah.
How do these guys work? What are they?
They're mini bikes, you know, they're just, there's no transmission. They're all pull start, you know, just little dinky lawnmower style engines.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean,
But, you know, you hop them up as much
Yeah.
as you can.
yeah, that's cool. And you modified a KTM fender.
Yep, got a couple KTM fenders, headlight.
That's awesome.
Thanks. Yeah, and you put the big fat, you know, the fatter tires on them.
Yeah.
Shorter tires.
How fun.
And then you've got like little like work style mini bike forks on there.
Mm-hmm. They're like, I think they're like from a pit bike. Like
Yeah,
upgrade
pit
for,
bike,
like
yeah.
a pit bike or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll ride back here and hang on to it.
Ready your belt too.
I rode back here in the
Oh, yeah.
bathtub the other
Really
day. The
that?
bathtub makes a pretty good
Oh, yeah.
place to sit. I sat in the bathtub and
Did ya?
rode in it the other day up in the woods, yeah. You see my boot prints are in there.
Somebody just dumped it up there?
No, I bought this.
Oh,
We just
okay.
haven't had a chance to get it unloaded yet.
Oh, okay.
So it's been going with us. You could sit in the bathtub if you want. I sat in there before. See my boot prints?
Totally will.
It's pretty comfy. It's kind of redneck, but
I like it.
yeah, I like it too. We're gonna put it in our garden for our garden bed.
Oh, awesome.
Tip over on.
That's the perfect thing for it.
Tip now that it's not strapped.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
And I'll hang on to this. Oh, we fit in here perfectly. Okay.
See, it's pretty comfy.
Yeah.
I rode in it.
I'm good.
Awesome.
Thank you, guys. I'm riding in a bathtub. The back of these nice people's truck, and Randy's gonna follow us in his special shirt.
Did you hear that noise?
Yeah,
I think it was a stick.
yeah, something was just dragging. Oh yeah,
Was
there
it
it
a
is.
stick?
There's the line from it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good.
I got
Goodness.
it.
You got it?
I feel the
Good job.
Hey, do you need some Epsom salts for that, Beth? We're gonna have to take a picture of you guys.
Yeah, for sure. There was a stick dragging the ground. Kind of freaked us out for a second there. My ride in the bathtub is over.
That seems like a pretty risky way to get back.
Heck yeah, it was.
Yeah, considering when we saw them, we were so Yeah.
Oh yeah. And I got another ride here back to camp.
Well, there's your problem. Maybe you should have slowed down.
Finished the 100 miles.
The other one was ripping though. My other motor was broken.
Engine swap, no exhaust.
That's hilarious.
Love it.
Yeah. That was a fun lap.
You were screaming. You were.
All right, we made it back. Thank you for the ride, sir.
Yeah.
Back to camp.
That's what we do.
Get the bike unloaded. Just gotta blow my stuff up every time I go racing.
He has a flat tire. Here's the outer jewel. It's the one that always goes low. I don't know if it's straight or belt or whatever, but we put air in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're the boss. Yep. Yep. All right.
Outside.
We're loading up. We're about ready to leave. We got a flat tire on the gambling bus here, and we're gonna get that filled up and head home. Oh yeah. One of the perks of having a bus. Airlines. Loaded up. Alright everybody, that was a blast. I want to thank everybody who put this race on. I want to congratulate my buddies Kenny, Chris, and Randy for getting first place in the team event, and congratulate Nick for getting first place in the Ironman. Sucks that I didn't finish again, but I still had a blast. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button for me. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to get notified of videos coming out in the future. Like I said, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.